Hello students, welcome to my next video lecture on interpolation chapter. Today I am going to explain Newton divided difference formula. You see that Newton divided difference formula, if f of x naught, f of x1, f of x2, etc., f of xn with the values of a function fx corresponding to the arguments x naught, x1, x2, xn. You see that in bracket I have written which are not necessarily equally spaced, they are unequally spaced. Then the Newton's divided difference interpolation formula or Newton's general interpolation formula is, directly I am giving formula. You see that f of x equal to f of x naught plus x minus x naught, you have to write f of x naught x1, this is the first divided difference, plus x minus x naught into bracket x minus x1 into f of x naught x1 x2, this is second divided difference formula, that is the next, plus etc. Continuing this, plus x minus x naught into bracket x minus x1 etc. x minus xn minus 1, x minus xn minus 1 into nth order difference formula, that is f of x naught, x1, x2, etc., xn. This is or this can also be written as f of x equal to f of x naught plus x minus x naught. You can use using divided difference operator here, delta of f of x naught. This is the first order divided difference of f of x naught plus x minus x naught into bracket x minus x1 del square of f of x naught plus etc. plus x minus x naught into bracket x minus x1 etc. Into bracket x minus xn minus 1 delta n of f of x naught. You see that using this formula we can discuss application on this. You see that example 2, already model example 1 I have given. Okay, using sometimes they may be asked like this, using Newton's divided difference formula find the values of f of 18 and f of 15 from the following table. Okay, some table values are given here, x values and fx values are given. Okay, then using this you can construct the divided difference table. Here you see that 5 minus 4 is 1, 7 minus 5 is 2, 10 minus 7 is 3, 11 minus 10 is 1, 13 minus 11 is 2, like this. This is a h value is different here. As there, here you use the divided difference table. Okay, construct the divided difference table. Already I have explained in the above. You see that write x values in the vertical form. These are the arguments and entries. Okay, x naught here, first value you say that x naught equal to 4, x1 equal to 5, x2 equal to 7, x3 equal to 10, x4 equal to 11, x5 equal to 13. Okay. Similarly, fx value you can say here, f of x naught is 48, f of x1 is 100, f of x2 is 294, f of x3 is 900, f of x4 equal to 1210, and f of x5 is 2028. Okay, these are the argumented entries values. Now first order difference, divided difference of fx you find out. You know that 100 minus 48 divided by 5 minus 4. Okay, 100 minus 48 divided by 5 minus 4, like this is the 52 it gives. Similarly here next 294 minus 100 divided by 7 minus 5, this is 97. 900 minus 294 divided by 10 minus 7, this is 202. So similarly 1210 minus 900 divided by 11 minus 10, 11 minus 10, this is a gives a 310. Similarly 2028 minus 1210 divided by 13 minus 11 in the denominator, so this gives a 409. Similarly, this is second order divided difference of fx. Difference of these two take. 97 minus 52. Numerator, numerator is very simple. Okay, here the denominator 7 minus 4, x2 minus x0 here. Okay, this is the here mentioned f of x0, x1, x2 like this. This is f of x0, x1, x2 or delta square of fx. Okay, this gives 15. Similarly, 202 minus 97 divided by x3 minus x1, that is 10 minus 5, 21 it gives. Similarly, 310 minus 210 minus 202 divided by x4 minus x2, 11 minus 7, 27 it gives. Okay, 409 minus 310 divided by x values, arguments, x5 minus x3, that is 13 minus 10, this gives 33. Okay, similarly third order divided difference of fx. This here it is very in the numerator 21 minus numerator 21 minus 15, in the denominator x3 minus x0, that is a 10 minus 4. Okay, this gives 1. Then the next one 27 minus 21 divided by x4 minus x1, that is 11 minus 5. Here next one 33 minus 27 in the numerator, 33 minus 27 in the denominator x5 minus x2, 13 minus 7, this gives 1. So all are 1. So if you go delta fourth, that is fourth order divided difference of fx is 0, you get 1 minus 1, 0, 1 minus 1, okay, 0 you get. Okay, now table is ready. Therefore, by Newton's divided difference formula, above formula you have to write here fx equal to f of x0 plus x minus x0 delta of f of x0 plus x minus x0 x minus x1 delta square of f of x0 plus x minus x0 into bracket x minus x1 into bracket x minus x2 delta cube of f of x0. After these values are useful here, delta fourth is 0. Okay, substitute all the values from table, get fx equal to 48, f of x0 is 48. Here you say f of x0 is 48. Use above table, this is these values, above values. F of x0 is 48 plus x minus x0 is 4, x minus 4 delta of f of x0, delta of f of x0 is 52 plus x minus 4, x minus 5, x minus x0, x minus x1, x0 is 4, x1 is 5, delta square f of x0 is 15. Okay, delta square f of x0, this is f of x0, delta square of f of x0, this is, okay, 15 plus x minus 4, that is x minus x0, x0 is 4, x1 is 5, x2 is 7. So delta cube of f of x0 is 1, starting value, delta cube of f of x0 it is, this is 1. Okay, okay, this is all you simplifying. We get this is equal to 48 plus 728 plus 2730 plus 2002. This gives here, okay, these are fx values ready now, fx formula is ready now. Now they asked f of 18 here, so wherever x you put 18, okay, substitute 18, wherever x, this x value is 18, wherever x substitute 18, okay, substituting you get these values 5050, this is the value of f of 18. Similarly, they asked f of 15, find out f of 15 also. So in the above formula, wherever x you substitute 15, okay, If you substitute 15, you get 48 plus 15 minus 4 is 11, like this. Remaining values are fixed. Okay. If you simplify all this, you get a 3150. Okay. This is the example. So similarly, you see that example 3, one more example. Find the polynomial of the lowest degree, which assumes the values 10, 4, 40, 424 and 620 at x equal to minus 2, 1, 3, 7, 8. They are the x values are equally spaced, not equally spaced. So definitely use a divided difference formula. Also find the value of the polynomial at x equal to 6. Okay. These are whatever they given, you can write in the table form. Here the arguments and entries are written like this. These are x values. Sometimes they given like this. If it is they given like this, you can write x values the above in the x value below here. Okay. Then construct the divided difference table. Okay. X values you write in the vertical. These are arguments, entries. X naught is minus 2, x1 is 1, x2 is 3, x3 is 7, x4 equal to 8. Then fx values 10, 4, it is f of x naught, f of x1, f of x2, f of x3, f of x4. These are 40, 424, 620. Okay. Then delta of f of x, we find out. Delta the first order divided difference. First order divided difference. Okay, you know already 4 minus 10 divided by 1 minus of minus 2 plus 2. 2 you get minus 2. Similarly, 40 minus 4 divided by 3 minus 1. 18 you get. 424 minus 40 divided by 7 minus 3. 96. So 620 minus 424 equal to 196 divided by so okay, this gives divided by 8 minus 7. Okay, x4 minus x3. This gives 196. Okay. Similarly, second order divided difference, delta square of f of x is you get 18 minus of minus 2 plus 2 divided by x2 minus x naught, x2 minus x naught, that is 3 plus 2. Okay, 3 minus of minus 2 plus 2, 4 you get. 96 minus 18 divided by 7 minus 1, that is x3 minus x1. Okay. 7 minus 1, this gives 13. So 196 minus 96 divided by x4 minus x2, that is 8 minus 3, 20 you get. So delta cube of f of x, that is the third order divided difference, that is the 13 minus 4 divided by 7, that is a 7 x3 minus x naught, that is a 7 plus 2 you get. That is a simplifying, simply you get 1. Okay, 20 minus 13 divided by 8 minus 1, that is x4 minus x1, 8 minus 1 equal to 1 you get. So this if you take a delta fourth of fourth order divided difference, 0 you get clearly, 1 minus 1, 0. So therefore by Newton's divided difference formula you have to write fx equal to, you know that f of x naught plus x minus x naught into delta of f of x naught plus x minus x naught into bracket x minus x naught delta square f of x naught plus x minus x naught into bracket x minus x1 into bracket x minus x2 delta cube of f of x naught. Okay. Substitute all the values. Fx equal to 10, f of x naught is 10, so x minus of minus 2, that is plus 2. This is delta of f of x naught, beginning of this is the delta of f of x naught minus 2. Substitute here. So similarly, next plus x minus x naught is x plus 2, x minus x1, x1 is 1. So x minus x1. So delta square f of x naught is 4. This is the beginning value, beginning of the table. 4 plus x plus 2, x minus 1 is x minus 1. Okay, x minus x1, x minus 1 into x minus x2. x2 is x2 is 3, x minus x3, and delta cube of f of x naught is 1. Okay, from table you get delta cube of f of x naught is 1. Okay, simplifying fx all these, multiplying all the brackets, you get this, okay. Adding all the like terms, okay, you get finally equation fx equal to third order third degree polynomial. You get x cube plus 2x square minus 3x plus 4. You get this is fx value. If they want 6 value, f of 6 value, substitute x value here, you get a 6 cube, okay, simplifying, you get 274. This is the value of polynomial at x equal to 6. 274, okay. Then these are the practicing examples for practicing. Also answer I have given here. Using Newton's divided difference formula, find the y40 or f of 40 x. It means y value at x equal to 40 or fx value at x equal to 40. Given that y35 1175, y35.5 equal to 1280, y 39.5 is 2180. So, and lastly y 40.5 is equal to 2420. These are the y values, these are x values. Okay, you can table, you can construct in the above x values, these are x values, 35, 35.5, 39.5, 40.5. You can write the below y values. These are y values. Y values 1175 or fx value 1280, 2180 at x equal to 39.5, y equal to 2180. You can take these are the arguments and entries. You can taking this, you can find out using above divided difference formula. You can find out y40. Okay, answer I have given, you can refer this. Similarly, example 5 also for practicing, you can practice this example also. Using Newton divided formula, find the polynomial of the lowest degree for the data. Above similar type examples, okay. fx I have given. Sometimes they want to find the value of polynomial at x equal to some values. You can substitute the value of x, you get this here, okay. One more example 6 for practicing. Find y11 by Newton's divided difference formula. Given that y2 is 0, y4 is 46, y7 295, y10 is 904, y12 is 1590. These are x values, okay. X equal to 2, x equal to 4, x equal to 7, x equal to 10, x equal to 12. These are y values. These are arguments, these are entries. Y equal to 0, y equal to 46, y equal to 295, y equal to 904, y equal to 1590. Okay, you can construct the table. For a tabular form, you can write above is x value, below is y values or fx value. Then construct the divided difference table, divided difference table. Then using Newton's divided difference formula, you can find out y11 value. Y at x you get, yx you get, put x equal to 11, or f of x equal to you get, or f of x equal to, right, finally f of 11 you find out, okay. Okay, okay, with this I will stop here, okay. In the next video I will continue the next syllabus, okay. Thank you.